Hello, good morning all. Once again, I welcome you all for the next analysis of the poem that is Inchcape Rock 2.3. Okay, in the last lecture, I have given a nice explanation for the poem. So, today, let's have the basic thing what Robert Southey wants to give us and what he exactly want that we should do it, how we can take it in our life. Okay, so let's have it. So here basically, if I say it is a legend, it is a ballad. Okay, tells about a legend of Inchcape Rock. Okay, fine. So a story is given about a good about of Ababrata. He is a person who has done a very nice work. Okay, his work was he was able to, with a lots of hard work and with lots of ability, he was able to install a bell on the dangerous Inchcape Rock. Very fine. Okay, as and after installing, the people who used to travel by the ship used to get the alert sound, and they used to change their way. But before it was like that, many of them have lost their life because of this dangerous rock. So as when he installed the bell, most of them blessed Abbot of Aberbrothock that he has done a good work. Okay, by his good work, very easily he got the name, fame, success, and he was been appreciated. Okay, very finely. The first aspect given by Robert Southey. The second thing, he gives a character that is Ralph the Rover, a parrot. Okay, who we can say who is the one who is jealous of Aberbrothock, and he doesn't want that he should grow, and he has a plan. Somehow I will make him down. Okay, so he has a plan that I will cut the bell which is installed with very efforts on the rock. Okay, so now he does his attempt successfully by cutting the bell. He feels very happy. For this happiness remains for a small period of time only, because the thing what we do, it might be good or bad, we have to face within fraction of second. Okay, no need to wait for a long time. So as he did the thing, what happened, he was the first victim who has to face the Inchcape Rock, the dangerous Inchcape Rock, by giving his life. Okay, the sin which he has done, he has to pay it for that. Okay, and at that time he himself realized the mistake what he did. So Robert Southey, giving the simple thing to us, the simple thing. Now, basically, if we take the thing in such a way, scoring marks will be there for you, but beyond that, this literature is the thing which will enhance our life. First we have to become a good human being. Okay, so we can't do the great good things. Okay, but the small thing, helping the one who is needy. Okay, and sometimes no, the situation changes. We are human beings, we also get the feeling of jealous. We also think that success is not with us. So let it be. You hold your patience, you do your hard work, have a good positive approach. If Ralph the Rover might have had different attitude, then he might have saved his life. Okay, he might have not become the victim of Inchcape Rock. So we can learn from this in that way, that how much good we can do, we will do. If you are not able to do any good, but we will not do anything wrong to someone. What we do wrong for someone, no, first we have to face for that wrong. That is the reality, it is the universal truth. So very finely, the poet Robert Southey wants to give us a very detailed and philosophical message that what you sow the seed, you are going to get the same. And if you want to get the happiness, now exactly Abbot of Aberbrothock was blessed by many. Okay, naturally. Okay, and because of that natural blessing, no, we automatically has a aura of happiness around us. And who does the wrong thing, who are in the way that that doesn't think that nothing is going to happen, who is there? No, it is not like that. Nature is there, the universe is there to have a watch on you, and the same thing is been clearly highlighted through this poem. So I hope you will be able to implement such a nice sweet point in your life, that we will learn the poem very nicely, we will have the figures of speech also, everything we can have. But exactly what literature wants to give us, that if we are not taking note, then what is the use of the literature? Literature is there to enhance our life, to change our thinking, because literature is the only thing. By many great person said, according to your text also, in the text it is given a lesson by Achyut Godbole. He says that you have the literature has a great implement in our life. Okay, so it enhances your life. The poet like Robert Southey, and the poem given by him, the HK Block, the poem has a very sweet, simple and very easy understanding poem. In a one reading only everyone will understand, no doubt. But how many will implement and how many will take it seriously, that is the biggest thing. So I hope you will take it very seriously and will try a bit for yourself, because if do something good for others, no, automatically the good will come to you naturally. Okay, and the happiness will be there. You will feel relaxed, you will feel happy and satisfied, I done something good. Okay, according to me, I wanted to share this thing very nicely, because it is a very nice perspective given by Robert Southey to all of us. So it will help everyone to get ourselves energetic, motivated to select the good path. Okay, so if you have liked this explanation, now again once again I would like to repeat that very nicely it will help you to frame the appreciation, okay, the moral and your point of view for 4 marks. So I hope this will frame all the category which you want. Okay, and most important thing, the all age group can take this, not only the 12th standard students, but all age group can take it very seriously and very nicely to implement this simple thing with lots of efforts in the life. Okay, if you have liked it, please share it, subscribe it. Okay, thank you students, viewers and listeners.